Hi everyone, welcome to our channel allouttips. We are give to information intramuscular. Guys, intramuscular injection is a injection that is given to delivery medication directly and to the muscles. Commonly use sheet or arm diluted muscles for vaccine etc. I can be used both children and adult. Of the Botek consider related safe side start method. Okay guys, our types can be used in both children and adult. Side of Botek ventroglucotal site. Consider two related safe of seat. Start method. Wash hand thoroughly. Clean this injection sheet with then alcohol soap. Okay, we are ready. Soap this clean and Botek. Now we are given two injections. If you are not medically thrown given to yourself or having someone else